Most people get this wrong when comparing Mistplay, Giraffe, and Rewarded Play. They assume all three apps work the same way and pay the same speed. Then they waste hours on the wrong app and wonder why their earnings feel slow. Here's the truth no one tells you. These apps are similar on the surface, but very different in payout speed, consistency, and reward structure. In this video, you'll get a clear 2026 ranking of Mistplay, Giraffe, and Rewarded Play, based on real earning speed, ease of use, and withdrawal reliability. Let's start with how they all work. All three apps pay you for playing mobile games. You install games, earn points or coins, and redeem them for gift cards like Amazon. But here's where it gets interesting. Each app calculates rewards differently, which directly affects how fast you earn. First, Mistplay. Mistplay is one of the most established apps. It has a wide game selection and a consistent loyalty system. But here's the problem. Earnings per hour are often lower compared to newer apps, especially for casual users. It is stable, but not always the fastest. Now, Giraffe. Giraffe is more aggressive with rewards early on. New users often see faster initial progress. For example, someone like Jake might earn quickly in the first few days. But over time, progression can slow depending on game availability and regional offers. It is fast at the start, but not always consistent long-term. Now, Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play focuses on structured progression. It rewards level completion and steady gameplay. This makes it more predictable. It may not always feel the fastest in the first hour, but it tends to be more stable over time. That consistency is why many users prefer it for long-term earning. So how do we rank them in 2026? For fastest short-term earnings, Giraffe usually comes out ahead. For stability and consistent payouts, Rewarded Play performs best. For balanced long-term use with a large game library, Mistplay stays reliable, but slightly slower. Now here's the key insight most users miss. The best app is not the same for everyone. If you switch between apps strategically instead of relying on just one, you can increase overall earnings without extra playtime. In a minute, here's the simplest way to combine all three apps for maximum efficiency. Use Giraffe for quick early boosts, Rewarded Play for stable long sessions, and Mistplay as a backup library when other games run dry. So to wrap it up, Giraffe is fastest short-term, Rewarded Play is most stable, and Mistplay is the most balanced library. The real win comes from understanding when to use each one. If this helped you decide which app to use, like the video, comment your favorite earning app, and subscribe for more real comparisons and earning breakdowns.